Hello friends, introduce my name Esther Toar. In this video, I will explain about the IELTS materials that has been explained before by our lecturer Sir Kate Ratumbuisan. Here's an explanation. Okay, there is several types of IELTS, namely test in general, test academic, and test general. Test academic used for those who will continue their education in a country that use as the language of instruction in the teaching and learning process. The general test aims to measure the extent of English proficiency in the context of daily life, such as the work environment or social interaction. The general training is more suitable for those who will work in English-speaking countries or for those who will take part in short training in English-speaking countries. There are several texts in IELTS, namely listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Listening takes 30 minutes, reading takes 60 minutes, writing in the time it takes 60 minutes, and talking takes 11 to 14 minutes. So the total test time is 2 hours and 45 minutes, and does not include rest. Listening time required is 30 minutes, consisting of 4 sections and 40 questions. In listening, there are a variety of difficulties obtained, such as listening to certain information, so that difficult rates of topic and text, listening for specific information, exact place names, understanding given, understanding speaking attitude, opinion. Listening test format. Here are some listening the formats. Part 1, conversation, consisting of 2 speakers. Part 2, monologue. Part 3, conversation consisting of 4 speakers. And part 4, lecture general. General listening strategy. General listening strategy. Record is played once. Read question careful before listening. Familiarize yourself with question type. Complete a chart, selecting picture, note taking exercise. Next, reading. The time required is 60 minutes. 40 quotes taken from books, magazine, journal, and newspapers. Type of question. Complete the chart, select image, and and recording exercise. General reading strategy, identify reading skill, being texture practice the skill. Next, writing. The requirement time is 60 minutes. Consistent of two tasks. Task 1 time 20 minutes. It includes a descriptive report table of a diagram written in 50 words. Text 1 time 40 minutes. In it includes an essay consisting of 250 words in response to an opinion or problem. Discuss issue, make argument, and use approach, tones, and lists. General writing strategy. Read question careful, get used the description of data in your papers, textbooks, practicing formulation or idea on the topic. Next, speaking. It taken about 10 to 15 minutes. Here gets text of a face-to-face interview between one candidate and examiner. Part 1 takes 4 to 5 minutes to discuss introduction and interview. Part 2 requires on to 3 minutes including preparation, which discuss individual talk. Part 3 take 4 to 5 minutes that discuss discussion topics, speak fluently and link ideas, got careful, show variety of operate vocabulary, use accurate grammar, and the right way speaks to listening can understand. Speaking strategies. Part 1. Take the initiative if possible. Always say more than yes or no. Try to overcome nerves. Part 2. Take a minute of preparation time. Note some key ideas. Take interest in the child. Part 3. Provides informative response. Show your control over language. Attempts to express abstract ideals. Support your opinion. Indicate that you are willing to give in extensive reply. Next, scoring IELTS. IELTS provides a profile of candidates' ability to use English. Candidate receive a score on a band scale for 1 to 9. Serobin did not attempt the test. No assignment information is provided. Band 1 non-user basically lacks the ability to use language beyond a few words that might be isolated. Band 2 intermittent user. No real communication is possible except for the most basic of information using isolated word or short formulates in a familiar situation and to meet urgent needs has great difficulty understanding spoken and written English. Band 3 extremely limit user convey and understand only general meaning in very familiar situation. Communication breaks often occur. Band 4 limits user. Basic context are limits to familiar situation, as problems that often occur in understanding and expression cannot use complex language. Band 5 simple user. He most of language commands overcoming the over meaning in most situations, although it tends to make a lot of mistakes, must be able to handle basic communication in his own. Band 6 has general effects command of the language that speaks some inaccuracies, inappropriacies, and misunderstanding can use and understand fairly complex language, particularly in familiar situation. Band 7 God user has operational command of the language, albeit with inaccurate, mismatched text and occasional misunderstand in some situation. General handles complex language contains detailed reasons. Band 8 very good user has a fully operational command of the language with only unsystematic inaccuracy and misunderstandings can occur in unfamiliar situation, handles complex detailed argumentation well. B9 expert users have a full operational command of the language, appropriate, accurate, and fluent with complete understanding. General strategies: familiarize yourself with the text, practice, and time management. Useful books: Come Right IELTS 3 with Answer, Insight into IELTS, Vanessa Jackman, and Claire Batchdown, CUP. Useful website: Ugage Introductory Sites, http://www.ugcepa.com, IELTS homepage, http://www.IELTSOrange.index.htm, ELC homepage, http://IELTS.polu.edu.hk. Example of writing test: students should continue their study abroad than to study at home. To what extent you agree or disagree with the statement? Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant examples from your own knowledge experience. Here's an example of IELTS complex. Model answer, second school, etc. You should write at least 250. Now that friends, he was re-explaining the video about IELTS. Helpful, it can add knowledge and insight for all friends to be more advanced and serious about learning IELTS, because is very important for us. So many of my thanks.